Alright, so guys, on today's video we are going to show you how to add an invisible zipper on the right trouser front, where the flap is. So you can see the flap is, this is waist 30, this is waist 30 that we are going to stitch 8 trouser. So the flap is going to be 5 inches right here, just like you are seeing. So we are going to stitch the zipper on it. So this is actually how to stitch it. So guys, so if you want to know how to stitch it, this is how you're going to do it, or this is how you're going to go about it. So you're going to fold this part on it like this. You see this part that we have cut it, we have marked it, or we have ducked it, or we have cut it like this. So we are going to fold this part like this onto it like this, just like a 1/4 inch. We're going to fold it onto it like a 1/4 inch. So both the flap is 2 and 1 inches. The flap width is 2 and 1 inches. So I forgot to show you, but it's 2 and 1 inches. So we have folded the 1/4 inch, just like we have folded, just like we are seeing it. So we are going to put the zipper under it like this. We're going to put the zipper under it like this. So do you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make the zipper upper like this, and make it the place that the zipper, when you scroll it down, the place that is gonna end onto the down part of the flap. That's where we're gonna make it end onto the flap. So that's how we have done it right now. So after doing it that way, we are going to stitch it on top like this. So we are going to stitch it on top like this. We are going to stitch it on top. So please, are you watching it? Please watch it carefully so that you're able to see exactly how I'm stitching it. So we are going to stitch it on top to the end part like this. To the end part like this. So guys, have you seen exactly how I did it? So after stitching it, we gotta cut the excess thread. We gotta cut the excess thread from it. So we have done stitching it, so we are cutting the excess thread that we have all stitched, so that it's gonna look standard. So when you open it, this is actually where it's gonna end. So this is exactly where it's gonna end. It's not supposed not to come at the down part. So the down part, if you make it come up like this, it's not gonna end that way. It's not gonna end on the down part, it's gonna end on this part. So that's how we did it that way. So if you will scroll it up again, this is exactly how it's going to look. So this is how to add a zipper, and also an invisible zipper on the trouser right front. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video.